Well, look, who I've just bumped into here at CES again. I think we only meet from the UK, and we only ever meet in Las Vegas.
Absolutely, the madness of CES, and here we are again.
Yeah, so what have you got to show on Grid Search? Because it's a while since we've seen it, a couple of CESs ago.
Basically, moving over to Mac, we've got an HTML5 version working on the internet. This is currently running locally because Wi-Fi at CS is so nasty. Basically it's HTML5 running off a server. So do the Scarlett Johansson, find the Scarlett Johansson interview. So we basically start the video playing, call up Grid Search. That was what was on the screen initially. 32 seconds later, and so on. White portion of the progress bar shows you where you are within the video. As you can see, there's no Scarlett Johansson. So on an iPad you'd swipe, remote control, you'd hit the right arrow, and you just keep scrolling through the video, looking for the lovely Scarlett. And then when you find her, you select the first frame that she's in, which you can see.
So if it was touchscreen, you could just touch.
Indeed, and we'll give you a link so that the listeners of the podcast can basically have a play for themselves. Unfortunately, it only works on Macs running Safari and iPads, and the iPad 2 is a much better experience than the iPad 1. So you select the first bit that you want to see, which is 5, and that splits it down, so you're getting closer and closer. And then 4, and then it'll start streaming from the previous frame, so you get to where you want to be. And here's the lovely Scarlett. And then one more thing, which I can't recommend this highly enough for the iPad, is if 32 seconds is too big, you can hit the down arrow, or on the iPad you can stretch the video apart, and that's a really sweet thing.
Nice, yeah.
And then you can basically pinch more video onto the screen. And then if you see a frame that you're happy to start from, if you double tap on it, so if you double tap on 7, it'll start playing for the little lad there. It is actually playing, the sound's not yet started. And you can jump into exactly where you need to be. Here it comes. It's playing. And then something which the users might really quite enjoy is, if you know approximately where you need to be on a video file on the iPad, if you put 2 fingers down, it'll pull the video up where you need to be. Or if you just touch a single place on the timeline, it'll center 5 where you touch from and keep the gap size the same. So it's a really nice, sweet user interface. And then if we can just hold on while I whip out the iPad. Okay. And the idea is being so basically the idea would be that in a native Objective-C application you'll be able to have a quick flick through the contents of a video really quickly. This isn't the effect that you'll see on HTML5 on the website. It's much more controlled and slower, but basically have a go, see what you think, and have a play.
Excellent, thank you.
So it's good to see you again.
Yeah, good to see you.